guys, I am here at Resorts World. Who's ready for a little lightning dollar link? Look at that 970 major. Let's go ahead and get it. I've got a $500 ticket going in. All right, so here we go. We got a nice major. Let's go. By the way, for those of you who've been like following that mega at Resorts World on Ultimate Fire Link, it hit yesterday. Yesterday I went to go play it. It was at $10,000, like $15. I was like, ah, no! That was supposed to be mine. But it was someone else's, so congratulations to whoever hit that. I was kind of sad though. It was just a fun thing to keep chasing. I have yet to see anyone on that game since then. Oh, nice, we got a bonus. Everybody's like, okay, yeah, we're not playing you now. Come on, how about a triple major for the girl? $250 bet, penny denomination. Oh, mini. Minis are $10, so I love the stacks on here. Of course, it makes it more volatile because it's got to pay for the stacks. Somebody's got to pay for the stacks. It's whoever's losing. Hopefully not me as soon as this one's over. Those free spins, why don't we? I don't think I've had the free spin symbol. I see it passing a lot. That's it right there. I need 3 of those. All right, let's switch denominations. I always want to go on this side to switch denominations. Now, when I play this game, I always do the 50 lines. It has 50 or 100. I've tried them both. I've never seen where 100 lines, like, which cost double. I've never seen where it really pays because, I mean, most of the time we're playing for this. Oh, so I just don't see where that really helps me. Maybe during a bonus it would. Oh, come on, I got a big bet going right here. Maybe the extra lines would help with line hits during a bonus, but oh man. Do it. Oh, it bounced up. Did y'all see that? All right, we're moving 5 cents. 25 lines now. Oh, do that. Oh man, that miner was 250. To get 3 of those. stacked up denoms. I love getting that stacked minor on this one, which I've had a few times, which is always nice because that's $1,500 right here. You get a stacked minor. Do that. Oh man, I'm back to even. I see the little slot attendants keep giving me a look like, we're coming to pay you next, and I'm like, all right, let's do that, buddy. 26. So far we've had a bonus on every other denomination, so does that mean if I go to the dollars, I'm gonna get a bonus? Oh, I needed a dude. Does this guy look like NG to y'all? Every time I see him, I'm like, is that NG? Did they put NG in the slot machine? I think it's funny. Come on. Can't believe I have not gotten that yet. Oh, 25 cents the next one. This is where my bonus is. Right here. So this minor is 875. I've never gotten this minor, ever. I sure would like a stacked one of those, but I've never even gotten a regular one. I've had it land. I thought that was going to be it. I was like, oh, we are getting it. We're $100 down now.
Hey, where's your casino, Kelly? One more, Kelly.
Oh!
I thought I brought the luck. I'm a subscriber.
I think you scared it away.
What's your name, Tom Selleck?
I think you scared it. Oh! I love when I hear that slappity slap. Oh! That was 175 stacked up.
I mean, what's even going on here?
Why is it teasing me like that? I don't like to be teased. I want the money. Oh, man. That was Jamie, y'all. My husband. He just walked away, though. He and Jeremy are going to play some video poker. All right, I got to get off of this one. 25 cents is just nothing but a tease. Here I am. Dollar denomination. This major is at 1100 because it does switch at $1 and $2 denominations. One more here. Okay, I don't want you either. And we'll try a couple of the two. I said 22.35 here. Boy, would that be nice to get stacked. That'd be $6,600. Or really 67 at the 36. Oh man, that would be just for that. Oh, at the roses. Too bad these would switch places. $78. Okay. Oh, give me that. Do it. Oh, shoot. Thought we might get it. Oh, come on. Yay, we got it. Our first bonus on the, bonus free games. Yay, let's get the monies. Money. Money, money, money. Wild. Re-trigger, we needed one more. We needed a little re-trigger right here. Wilds or money? Yeah, full screen or something. could have been something. Saw that minor for $2,500. All right, one more and I'm moving. Oh, maybe not. Oh, what is that? $200. Well, boy, did that just put us into profit territory. Well, hello there. I like the way you breathe at me. All right, we'll stay here for a moment. He's like, don't you leave. Okay, I'll stay. Come on, money. All right, one more here. All right, let's go start over back at a penny. Sensors. Maybe we'll get the bonus on the ones we didn't have it on yet. So I haven't had it here on 2 cents. Do it, do it. Oh, did you see it bounce up? Man. Do that. Dang you. Do that one. All right, you're teasing right now. I don't like it. It's not nice. Mama taught you no manners at all. All right, 2 cents. You were almost there. One more time. I'm gonna give you a couple more shots to get them right. One more. Do it, do it, do it! Oh, man, you were so close. So close. 5 cents. All right, little cutie pie. Oh, do him. Oh, man. These games just really mess with your emotions. One more. Oh, you could have done it right there. Let's go to 25 cents. That was a nice tease, wasn't it? Can we get back? I have been up and down and all around with this ticket today. I have been pressing my luck with it. No, you don't look like you want to do anything. Do that one. Yay, there we go. Okay. As a reminder, the major here is at 11 and 9. Triple major with the full screen, so we get the full 6 here. Here we go. Let's go. Be kind. Oh, do that. Come on. Oh, you dumb jerk. Oh. Oh, man. Ooh, what a butthole. Oh, not nice. Get a girl's hopes up for nothing. $2 denomination seemed like it wanted to do something earlier, but changed its mind. Where are we gonna go? 5 cents? Is that where you land? Is that where you are, winner? For reals? Well. Oh, man. I'm going here. Actually, no, I'm going here. Come on. Oh, shoot. Three. Yay, got it. Okay. Holy cow. Can you please give me a minor or a major or a stack mini? Something to get me back. Pretty please. Oh, no, you didn't. On a $7.50 bet. $75. For real, a 10x bonus. 10 times my bet. That gives me enough for 10 more spins. For real. Oh, you. Yeah, I know where I'm at with you. All right, so we're just gonna end this one here. Well, we still have a little bit of money and a little bit of dignity left. This bull. All right, so $400 down. But, you know, I've been playing for a long time this morning. I've been down here since 7. It is 9:35. So I've been playing since 7 on a $500 ticket. So not too bad, but this obviously could have been better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Bye.